Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to process a quotation using SQL accounting software. A quotation is generated to provide item details, prices, and terms when a customer requests a price proposal. Here is a sample scenario. The customer wants to know the best price for ordering 10 tables, including the assembly cost. Since they are a loyal customer, you decide to offer a 20% discount. Let's begin. Starting from the header field, select the customer. The customer details will be automatically keyed in. Next, change the date if necessary. Select an agent and pick a term. Then you may enter your description here. We are going to key in furniture order as an example. That's all for the header field. Moving on to the item field. Click on this plus button to insert a record. Select the item code. The item details are automatically keyed in. Then, enter the required details. Insert the discount. If the item is taxable, you may select the tax code here. For the assembly cost, there is no item code for it. So, just key in the description and fill in the details. After you've done inputting data, click on Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed a quotation. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.